Hello guys, hope you are fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a background from an image that you took. So keep watching until the end. Thank you. Hello guys, we are about to change the background of our pictures. So you open your browser, you type remove background. That's on Chrome or whatever browser you are using. It will direct you to a place where you can upload an image or you can drag. So in this case, we are uploading our image so that we can remove the background of this picture. As you can see, I'm tapping that and we open. It will be displayed on the screen as you see. So after a few seconds, the background will be removed. You click download, then on the free, then it will be downloaded in a few seconds. As there it is, show in the folder, then tap, we open and we can see choose an opening source. As we can see, it's opening. Where it is, there it is. That's already open. There is no background at the back. Successful, removed. So if you want to change any color, if you want, you can I was refreshing the page, enter the publisher, and you can change any background you want. I will drag the picture with the removed background, insert it the Microsoft Publisher, or you can copy paste there, and the background of the picture will become white. As you can see, I'm cropping to a reduced size, then drag it to the corner and expand into the whole paper. As you can see, the background is removed and our photo has changed to yellow background to white background. I'm saving to the desktop. You can give whatever name you want, JPEG format, save. Minimize the tabs, refresh desktop. There it is, our image with a white background. So guys, if you want to remove the image and you don't know how to use it, you can go to Chrome or whatever browser you are using. You type remove background, you will be directed to the page. That is guys, then you upload your image or you drag it and you can remove the background. Thank you for staying with me till now. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see along the video how to remove the background from my image, process by process. So stay tuned for more video. Don't forget to subscribe and share, comment and like. Love you guys. See you soon.